Let us start with Chapter 9, National Income. National income is a basic concept of macroeconomics, as we have already learned about micro and macro. National income of a country is a balance sheet of the performance of its economy. From national income, we can know the economic health of our country. It is a symbol of well-being, and if the national income of economic is low and increases slowly, then we can say it's an unhealthiness of an economy. National income is used as a criterion of the economical prosperity of a country. The market value of final products and services produced by using national wealth with capital and labor during a year is called national income. There are important concepts like GNP, NNP, GDP, and NDP of national income. To compare two countries' economy, these terms can be used. However, let us learn actually how this national income can be measured or how it is created or what are the method of its measurement, what are the problems which arises while measuring the national income. Now let us learn the meaning and the definitions of national income. Meaning of national income. Generally, the total monetary value of the total production and services in a country during a year is the national income of that country. In other words, the total income received by a country from economic activities during a year is known as national income. When we say that the national income of India is rupees 128 lakh crores, it means that the goods and services of rupees 128 lakh crores have been produced during 1 year in agriculture, industries and service sector. Let us learn the production-based definition given by Alfred Marshall. The net production of physical, that is tangible, and non-physical, that is service things, which by using natural wealth, that is land, with capital and labor in a country during the year is called as the national income. Professor Marshall considered net production of goods and services in his definition. Therefore, it is production oriented. Now, the second definition is based on the concept of consumption. Irving Fisher, according to him, the proportion of direct consumption of goods and service by the people of a country during a year is known as national income. Now, Fisher considered consumption of goods and services in his definition. Therefore, it is consumption oriented. Third definition is based on money by A.C. Pigou. National income is a flow of those goods and services whose payments have been done through money or which can be easily presented by money. In other words, the national income is the total income of society along with foreign income which can be easily measured by money. Pigou considered money in his definition. Therefore, it is money oriented. Now let us learn the definition based on various topics. First, national income is a measurement of income obtained in a definite period of 1 year. Second, national income, the final product and service are considered. Third, national income is a monetary value of final products and services. Fourth, national income is calculated after deducting depreciation. Fifth, goods and services should be produced or consumed.